Understanding, withdraw from power, a simple guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in news or history discussions: withdraw from power. Understanding this expression is crucial for anyone looking to enhance their English language skills, especially when talking about political contexts. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Withdraw from power is a phrase that combines two key words, withdraw and power. To withdraw means to remove oneself from a situation, activity, or place. Power, in this context, refers to the authority or control over others, often used in political, social, or organizational settings. Together, the phrase means to step back or resign from a position of authority or control. Leaders might withdraw from power for various reasons. These can include personal decisions, such as health issues or the desire to retire, political pressures, like public discontent or loss of support from their party or allies, and external factors, such as international pressure or legal challenges. Understanding these reasons can help us better grasp the complexities of political dynamics. To bring this phrase to life, let's look at some examples. Historically, leaders like King Edward VIII of the United Kingdom withdrew from power by abdicating the throne in 1936 to Mary Wallis Simpson. In modern times, political leaders might resign or not seek re-election when facing significant public or political opposition. These instances show how the decision to withdraw from power can impact a country's direction and its people's lives. Now that we understand what it means, let's see how to use withdraw from power in sentences. After decades of rule, the dictator finally withdrew from power, leading to a period of democratic reform. The CEO withdrew from power amid allegations of financial misconduct, shaking the company's foundation. Practicing with these sentences can help you feel more comfortable discussing political and leadership topics in English. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning of withdraw from power and how you can use it in your English conversations. Understanding such phrases enriches your vocabulary and helps you engage more deeply with global news and historical events. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you learn more in our next video. Happy learning!